Alright, welcome back to another episode. It's about 7:30 a.m. We're about an hour after Chris just killed his bird. We're heading up north. We turned down a gravel road and there's birds everywhere, strutting on the side of the roads. We've seen birds in the woods a little bit, so we pulled off the gravel road onto a 2-track, and we're going to go get on this big gobbler that was in the road strutting, so we'll be back with you in a little bit. Over there.
Yeah, but I'm saying he's coming. He's coming.
There's another one coming?
Yeah. He's coming towards us now. Keep pissing her off. Oh yeah, he's coming. Keep giving him.
There's hens coming too.
Yeah, there's hens too. Who cares? Bring the whole flock. Bring the whole flock with them.
If he gets closer, this one might pull the hen this way, maybe.
Yeah. Yeah, there's a lot that could go our way and a lot that could go wrong right now. Oh, fuck, you're calling in another one.
Three?
There's 3 of them. You're calling one from behind us. Yeah, he's back there now.
I don't hear the drumming anymore. Oh, maybe I did.
Yeah, I can hear it. Yeah, give him another one. Towards me though, kinda, yeah. You see him?
No.
But you hear him?
I heard a leaf crunch.
Okay.
GoPro's broke.
Is he gonna come right down the road?
I think so.
Okay.
Oh, he might be blind. No, he's in the road.
You see him?
Yeah, I just saw his man.
Okay. Oh yeah.
Is there 2? There might be 2. Come a little bit farther. I can't shoot you. I'm just gonna keep my beat where I want him.
Whatever you want. Yep. That's fun. Doubled up opening day in Michigan. Michigan before. I would say maybe 8 o'clock. It might be 8:30. That was big. You seen her, we worked with that bird probably for 20 minutes before he would just commit and come in. That's fun. I got her down. Oh,
Holy smokes.
that's a big
I didn't
bird.
even see it. I just seen how dark the fan was. I didn't even look at the beard.
It's gotta be a big bird. They all flew off. There's like 3 or 4 of them. Boy, for a new public land spot, we had no clue.
We were driving to our spot that we picked out a couple weeks ago, and we came down this gravel road, and they were frickin' everywhere, like we were in Wisconsin or Iowa. There was 3 toms on the road.
That was fun. That was a good little war too. When we shot came right down here and it came down this 2 seconds.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh yeah,
Oh yeah. Nice bird.
he's got one good spur.
Yeah.
Ooh, yeah.
Yeah.
Will work.
A little feathery. Oh yeah, that's a good beard too. Yeah, that was a nice fan coming up.
Yeah, dark. Well, here's my bird. What an opening day for us. It's 8:15 and we're already tagged out, both of us. Didn't have time to do a outro for Chris's bird yet. We've been on birds. Never seen something like this before. We drove down that gravel road and there was birds everywhere. So we set up. Probably it was 20 minutes setting up, calling back and forth. Ended up calling in. Ended up getting 2 more gobblers to come within 150 yards of us, and they were strutting all over, right over the top of this hill, it sounded like. And finally, this one finally committed. I caught his fan on the top of this little hill, and he just worked his way in about 25 yards. Like I said, it's 8:15 on opening day. Never had this happen for us before. Feels good to be tagged out, so we're waiting for Chris's brother to show up, and we're gonna get Wyatt on a Michigan bird this time. So this is a beautiful gobbler, dark feathers, dark fan. It's a beautiful public land gobbler. We got a lot of day left. It's a beautiful day. It's supposed to be sunny the rest of the day until afternoon, and it's gonna get rainy. But yeah, tagged out. So thanks for watching, and look forward to the next episode.